everyone. So today what we are going to learn is about the RCM entries which will be compatible with GSTR 3B. Today itself Tally Solutions has released this release of 6.0.3 which takes care of this. We will see how RCM purchases which are greater than rupees 5,000 per day will be tackled through Tally. So what I have done is I have made certain entries, some basic entries like purchase from an unregistered supplier on the 1st of July and the amount is say 10,000. Similarly on the 2nd the amount is about 27,000. You must be aware that even if I try to give the CGST, SGST here, it will not take anything. Why? Because it is a purchase from an unregistered supplier. Okay, display statutory GST, GSTR 3B. So, okay, let us see the easy format first. Now, here the outward taxward supply, this consists of the outward supplies, but if you notice that it also has one line which says inward supply is liable to reverse charge. So this 10,000 is simple. It is a sales entry. So simply 10,600 CGST and SGST. But what about this point? Inward supplies. Now all the purchases per day, if it crosses rupees 5,000, then they have to be declared under inward supplies and liable to reverse charge. But it is very difficult to find that. So how do we do? Tally Solutions has given this button to find that value. Simply come here and click on this. Yeah, there you go. So 2250. There you go. So it is 2250 and the total taxable value is 3700 and the tax amount is 4500 consolidated. Okay. So what I need to do here is I need to pass an inward supply should show here. So let's see what entry has been done. We need to pass a journal entry where we will say that increase of tax liability is being done, which means that I will have to pay CGST and SGST. This I have shown in my previous video also. Anyway, I will simply repeat how this entry can be made. When you are here, you simply click on Stat Adjustment. Here you will choose increase of tax liability. Why? Because you will have to pay taxes and this will be under purchase from unregistered dealer. So we will simply take tax to be paid, whatever is the amount. So in our case it was 4500, SGST was 2250 and this was CGST was also 2250. Okay, and you can simply save it. Now because we have two such entries, I will delete one of them. One I had already entered. So this is how it will show. Now 600 is put tax and 2250 is for the reverse liable, is the reverse charge for inward supplies. But now once this reverse charge is, the liability is increased, I also have to take ITC. So see, this is your first entry which shows that it has to be paid. Then secondly, we will actually come and pay the amount, so it gets settled off. And finally, initial entry where your liability is increased, then you make the payment to the government, and then finally here you take credit of that tax paid. So let's see, you will select increase of input tax credit, same way Alt J, GST, increase of input tax credit, purchase under reverse charge, right? And here you will debit CGST, debit SGST and credit tax to be paid. So this becomes 0. Okay, simply you will pass this entry and let's check out the reflection here and you will get this eligible ITC. This is because of that entry. You want to check this, press enter, inward supplies, okay, press enter, there you go. This is the same entry. Okay. So once we'll press Alt F1 to see it in the easy format. This is how you can maintain your data. And if you see GSTR 3B form, simply they will ask for such data. You can simply come and click on print return, press enter learning, and let me know in the comments if you want to understand something in specifically. Okay, bye.